By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what is MongoDB and why it is actually different from SQL database. So let's start. So MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It stores data in the form of JSON-like document and is totally different from SQL database because in SQL database, data is stored in tables with rows and columns, and SQL database is good for structured and fixed data. But sometimes we need to store unstructured and frequently changing data like user information, user activities, and notification, or any data that keep changing again and again. So in that moment, SQL struggles here because in SQL database, before storing data, we must decide all the columns in advance, and if data changes frequently, we need to modify all the table structure every time. And that's why SQL is not flexible for frequently changing data. But MongoDB solves this problem. MongoDB allows to store dynamic and random data easily because here data is stored in JSON document, and we simply follow this flow: create the document, add the field, and store the data. That's it. We don't need to create columns manually. We only add new field. MongoDB handles everything, and that's why we use MongoDB NoSQL database for storing random, dynamic, and frequently data.